everyone, Jade Rainbow, Doctor of Physical Therapy here, and today we are going over stretches for low back pain. There are lots of muscles that connect to our pelvis, that connect to our spine, that get tight, and when they get tight, they pull and they cause pain. So today we're going over 6 of my favorite stretches for the hips and the low back that will help with your low back pain. These are stretches that I give my patients every single day in the clinic, and they are also stretches that I use myself to help with my low back pain. So let's get to it. The first couple, these are really handy stretches because you can do a lot of them in a row and you don't have to be moving around in a whole bunch of different positions. So the first one is going to be on your back, like so, and it's gonna be a lumbar trunk rotation. And you're just gonna bend your knees up and rock back and forth. So you can do it kind of dynamically, where you go back and forth without holding, or you can hold it there for 30 seconds. You get a nice pull in your low back, but it's nice and gentle. Nice, good stretch. From there, you can go right into your next one, which is the Piriformis Stretch. So a lot of you may know it by like the figure 4, but you will bring up one leg, cross it over the other, and then bring that leg up. And to make it stronger, you can even push down with this knee, but you want to feel it into your hip. So the bent leg, that's the figure 4, is the hip that you should be feeling it in. The piriformis tends to get tight when we either sit a lot or walk a lot. It's a hip internal and external rotator. So this is a really good one. And I would hold for 30 seconds. And if this is too much, a way you can modify is by bringing the leg over and across like this. So you still get that rotation, but it's a little friendlier into the hip. Like that. And again, holding for 30 seconds. Okay. So, stretch number 3 is the single knee to chest. And you'll bring one knee up and you'll go straight towards your belly. I like all these too because your back is supported on the ground. And you'll feel this through your glutes, through your butt muscles. So you'll hold that for 30 seconds, and then you'll do the other side too. Hold that for 30 seconds. And again, you'll feel that in your glutes. So going right from there, we'll go into a hamstring stretch. So again, laying back, you'll bring one leg up, and you're going to straighten your leg. So you can also do this by wrapping a belt or a towel or even a strap around your foot and pulling that way. But if you don't have a strap or something like that, you can just hold your leg like this. But you want to feel it in the back of your thigh. And you may even feel it into your back a little bit or even behind your knee because that's the length that the hamstring takes. So again, you're going to hold that for 30 seconds. Good. And I find that most people are tight into our hamstrings. Very, very common. Okay, so going from there, we're gonna go ahead and sit up for a couple. So stretch number 5 is going to be up, and it's going to be a hip flexor. So you're gonna go into like a lunge, and then you're gonna rotate your pelvis forward and lean forward, and you're gonna feel that hip flexor right in front. If you're someone who sits a lot, these tend to get tight, and these hip flexors hook onto our spine, so whenever they get tight, they tend to cause low back pain. So again, you'll hold for 30 seconds, and then you'll swap to do the other side. Okay, so stretch number 6, the last one, we'll go into child's pose. In child's pose, where you come down like so, and just relax forward like this. So I like to stay here first, but then you can walk out to the sides, and then you'll feel it in the sides of your low back. So you'll go one way, hold for 30 seconds, and then you can walk out to the other side and you'll feel it right here. Like so. Not too bad, right? So those are my top 6 favorite stretches to tackle low back pain if you're tight. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel where I post more videos weekly on staying strong, mobile, and pain-free. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.